ukiwinda hamwezi kupitia njia moja. Kama ni adui sampli hii ya William Ruto napitia routine na ile ingine. But we want to assure Kenyans that we are going to unite. We have no option. All of us who love this country so dearly, who have sacrificed so much that this country can be a true democracy, not a dictatorship, not a kleptocracy, not a gangster regime, not a gangsterism, which is what it is today. So I want to tell Mr. William Ruto, please stop. Stop imagining that one Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka can ever join you. We'll meet at the ballot. We will have that conversation at the ballot on the 10th of August next year, God willing. We pray to God that He gives you good health, He gives us good health, tukutane pale, so we can now consolidate our democracy. Amen. And do away with this pretense. The people of Kalao are an amazing lot of people. They have actually brought, in addition to the Gen Zs, the people of Kalao are amazing people. They have shown that the right to development is a basic right. The right to get those roads and all those other things is their right. But they will write, they will vote, and there's such a determination. I think we have a 2002 moment. I remember that time, any of us trying to look backwards, wananchi walikuwa wanamwangalia kabisa. Yeyote yule ambaye atathubutu kuharibu hisia na matarajio ya watu wetu wa Kenya atajipata kwingine kubaya sana. So I want to conclude by wishing Linda Mwananchi well.
Thank you, sir.
We are waiting for you.
Thank you, sir.
On Monday, I am the party leader of Azimio la Umoja One Kenya. Once you have sorted out your the registration details, and by the way, the Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka is a Secretary General. I'm the party leader. We have a meeting on Monday. The council, which is chaired by President Uhuru Kenyatta, and the executive, which I chair also as party leader. We have almost clearly visualized the way forward, but we continue to share that with you. But in the meantime, fight hard. Don't relent. I gave you some of the foot soldiers. I gave you Patrick Makau, member for Mavoko. I gave you kijana yangu, Deputy Secretary General, Mwashako, because you wanted, you complained that watu walikuwa naangalia sura za nyinyi, unaona wanaume wenye nyuso dark.